Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits for sale, only way. Start by choosing a single reliable recipe and perfecting it, then measure ingredients for consistent batches, track costs per biscuit, and set prices that cover labor, rent, and packaging. Streamline your process with basic tools, label allergen info clearly, and create small batch routines to maintain quality. Keep records for orders and adjust based on customer feedback to grow steadily. Choose a base dough and convert every ingredient to grams for reliable scaling across batches. Test bake times with full trays to confirm the same texture and color each time, and use cutters or scoops to standardize portion sizes so customers receive identical biscuits. Keep a master batch sheet with yields, timings, and oven notes to reproduce success, and update it whenever you tweak flour, fat, or liquid ratios. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future baking tips. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts through long bakery shifts. No affiliate URL here, but check the description for the link and other deals that support this channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose packaging that keeps biscuits crisp and matches your brand vibe, and label with ingredients and shelf life. Create simple pricing tiers for single, dozen, and bulk orders so customers can buy at a glance. Use farmers markets, local cafes, and social media to reach buyers, and consider tastings or subscription boxes to build repeat customers. Track feedback and tweak packaging, pricing, or flavors to improve sales and margins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.